Ahoy hoy, welcome back. Blue shirt. We've touched upon one of these before, Gavin's Grotty guitars, and here's another one. I think it's the most feedback I had on the guitar. It's another Sunn Mustang. Let's get the words right here. An authorised Fender product. Yet again, a little bit dusty. This one looks a bit different though, doesn't it? For a start, it feels lighter. I mean, it doesn't feel very light, but it feels lighter than the previous one. The headstock is a different shape. We've got a Mustang on there, and we don't have the O bracket on the Sunn. We also have a serial number on the back, which I have no idea how to decipher on this one. Now, hand on heart, I can't remember if I've played around with a setup on this at all. Well, I've certainly set it up, it plays nicely. But did I put on a black scratch plate and white pickup covers to make it look like something else? Who can tell? So I don't know if it came like this or not. What we do know is this though, is instead of the previous Sunn Mustangs, which were made in India out of mahogany bodies, which were made in the 80s and were extraordinarily heavy, this is a later model which was made in China. We think around early to mid 90s. The change in the headstock, the fact that there's a prancing Mustang on the headstock there, makes it all point towards that, which is good because we know what it is. Now, the thing we're going to risk is, what does it sound like? If you remember the other Sunn Mustang, the electronics were a load of old crap. They were really awful. Without plugging it in, that feels a nice solid selector. Fingers crossed. Here we go. Ooh. Bridge and middle. Middle. Middle and neck. And just neck. Yeah, that sounds okay. Oh, it doesn't sound anything special, but it doesn't sound like crap either. Should have put a strap on this. shall give it some distortion. Yep, fuzz works nicely, doesn't it? Yet another Strat copy. It looks nice, doesn't it? It plays very nicely. There's nothing special or strange about it at all, apart from it's got a slightly odd headstock shape, which is nice because it's original. It doesn't weigh too much. The electronics are pretty crappy. But if you ever buy a guitar and you need to do it up, that really is job number one. An excellent beginner's guitar for the 90s, and of course for the Indian one, the 80s. The big plus of this one is that it does not weigh 100 weight, and I think it looks rather cool with the black with white pickups and selectors. Anyhow, that's that for this one. I'm afraid the next one in this shirt is also a Strat, but and something interesting on it. So until next time, subscribe, more videos, and here come the cats. Toodle pip.